At Reltio, we strongly oppose the notion that you need 9 to 12 months in order to deliver an MDM project, which is unfortunately the norm in the industry. We want our customers to see value in 90 days, and in this video, we'll show you how that's possible. Reltio significantly reduces the complexity associated with MDM projects in two very specific areas. The first one is due to a fundamental architecture difference between Reltio and legacy MDM platforms. Reltio has been offering a cloud-native MDM platform since 2011 that is now a battle-tested and well-oiled machine in the world of MDM. The details about this fundamental part of the platform are covered in a separate video. The second area where we significantly mitigate risk and reduce time to value, and also the focus of this video, is through the introduction of what we call velocity packs. These are pre-built industry-specific solutions that sit on top of the Reltio platform and are able to harness the full power of the platform in terms of its scale and flexibility with millisecond responsiveness. A velocity pack is a pre-built platform component that includes highly tailored industry-specific content for insurance, financial services, healthcare, life sciences, and more horizontal B2B and B2C use cases. A velocity pack starts with an industry-relevant logical data model with appropriate entity types, attributes, relationships, and interaction types to meet the needs of most organizations out of the box. The logical data model can be easily extended as needed to meet additional needs should they not be covered in the out-of-the-box model. Included for each entity type is also a set of relevant matching rules, data validation rules, and survivorship rules, all aimed at unifying complex core data. Entity-specific user interface layouts and data visualization charts are also included, along with industry-specific reference data. Where applicable, each velocity pack also includes pre-built connectors to relevant applications and enrichment sources. Lastly, a velocity pack is also coupled with a set of prescriptive implementation assets that we call the Reltio way to support our customers with enabling value in less than 90 days. With the introduction of the velocity packs on top of the battle-tested Reltio platform, we are paving the way to help our customers achieve value more rapidly, knowing that value only materializes when clean, unified data is used to activate downstream business initiatives around growth, efficiency, and/or compliance. The combination of these capabilities means that if you have data ready on day one of your implementation, you could be loading data into your Reltio tenant in the morning and having a show and tell session with your business stakeholders in the afternoon. It doesn't get much better than that. Let's now have a quick look at some of the velocity packs in the Reltio user interface to get a better sense of what that day one starting point looks like. I'm now in the Reltio Data Modeler app, which is the entry point for a configuration specialist or a business analyst to look at or modify the existing configuration. I'm looking specifically at the Financial Services Velocity Pack. Note the 6 entity types out of the box: financial account, financial professional, household, individual, location, and organization, with each having a relevant set of attributes. Within each entity type, for example financial account, exists relevant relationship types. In this example, we can see 7 different types of relationships that are pre-configured and ready to go. As with all things Reltio, I can extend this as I see fit, simply by clicking on Create New. This concept applies to entities, attributes, relationships, match rules, validation rules, and so on. This rich pre-configured concept extends to all the entity types. For example, if I step into individual, not only can I see and manage all 44 attributes, but I can also see that there are 6 match rules ready to go. There are 12 different relationships to other entities ready to go, and there are 5 validation rules to keep an eye on the quality of the incoming data. If I switch now to the Healthcare Velocity Pack, here I can see 6 healthcare-specific entity types, also ready to go. This too contains all the relevant attributes, relationships, match rules, validation rules, and so on, ready on day one. Similarly, if I jump to the Insurance Velocity Pack real quick, we can now see 9 different entity types. Same concept applies here as with the others. A very rich environment ready to go on day one. This same concept extends through to the Reltio UI configuration itself. If I go to the UI Modeler app, here I can see the pre-configured UI layouts for each entity type. Again, this is specific to the Insurance Velocity Pack, but each Velocity Pack has its own layouts. These layouts take into account the attribution and relationships specific to each velocity pack to make the user experience as intuitive and powerful as possible. This also includes a pre-configured layout of the dashboard pages, where users are able to get a 50,000-foot view of the data from many different perspectives via very easy-to-use and live dashboard charts. All of this culminates in the type of experience you see here, where I'm in the Reltio dashboard page within the Insurance Velocity Pack end-user UI. Here you can see the various populated dashboard charts that come alive as soon as data enters the tenant. If I now step into the data quality dashboard area, you can also see how the data validation rules have come alive, giving us a really good understanding of some issues we may need to investigate further. Because everything is connected in Reltio, a simple click on this validation rule takes me to the offending records. It's all about time to value in Reltio, and with these pre-configured velocity packs, you can think of yourself as being 75% of the way to the finish line at the start of the race. Like what you saw in this video? Keep watching this series to see more demos of our product in action, or contact us for a complimentary consultation with our team. Thanks for watching.